I'm just really excited to bring you these fabrics, mainly because the colors and the price, they're all $13.99. We're kind of doing this thing for Labor Day where fabrics are $13.99. You guys, this is keep in mind, if you look ahead for fall, and then if you look ahead for spring, green is still part of the palette. Green is part of the palette for some time, and these are beautiful greens. So this is 100% cotton. It's reversible, although I think this is the right side. But it's so pretty. It's a green, a black, and a white. It's beautiful. For a little jacket, it would be absolutely stunning. You could do it now. You could wear it now. And then it would still be in style for some time to come. This is a white denim. It is a stretch woven with stretch in one direction. Not a lot of stretch, but it is a white denim. It's 100% cotton. And we just don't find white denim very often. So that's just really exciting to have that. This is a cotton poly. Look at the colors in that. I love the green. I love the pinks. Just very, very contemporary. It's got a little lurex thread that runs through it. It is cotton poly, but only $13.99. What a steal. Look at this. This is a green embroidered. This is 100% cotton. The embroidery on this the texture on this is just beautiful. It's literally embroidered. It's not printed. It is an embroidered piece of fabric, green, and it's a pretty green. And $13.99 a yard. It's a giveaway, you guys. It's a giveaway. All right, this is a cotton poly. It has stretch in both directions. It's a white. If you compare it, it's a little less white than this, but boy, I would do those together. They both look clean together, so I put them both in because of that. And again, $13.99. This is a cotton poly, stretch in both directions. This is a cotton poly, lightweight, beautiful fabric. Again, a green, a little black in it, little yellow, beautiful color, and for a lightweight jacket. Just a lightweight jacket would be just so very pretty. Not lined, just something sheer would be just perfect. 1953 is one sheer jacket I did. It would work great with this fabric. So again, today through the weekend, $13.99, and just beautiful. There are beautiful greens. Yay! Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.